Engine compartment. Again, very clean. A little bit of, I guess, oxidation on some of the finished parts there. Looks like somebody had painted the intake manifold. It's not a natural finish. You know, it's kind of worn in a couple spots right on the Winners Foundry mark. Correct radiator, radiator housing cover there. Real clean on the back side. Reproduction battery. Correct battery cables. And the block has some spots where the paint's, you know, worn away here and there. Correct radiator hoses and bypass valves there. And correct fan, clutch, clean frame.